Hello, hello. Welcome back to My Simple English podcast. I am Mark, and today I am wearing a red shirt, and I brought some beautiful red roses to the studio.
Oh, Mark, they are beautiful. Are those for me?
Of course, Sarah, because today we are talking about the most powerful feeling in the world. Today's topic is love.
What a lovely topic. Love is something everyone feels. We love our families, we love our friends, and we love our partners. It is a universal language.
In this episode, we will teach you the English words for different types of love. We will talk about dating, marriage, and how to express your feelings to the people you care about.
We will also learn some famous romantic phrases. And as always, we have our shadowing practice, so you can repeat the words after us.
So, open your heart and let's get started. Sarah, in English, we have different words for liking someone and loving someone.
That's right. If you see someone and you think they are very attractive, you might say, I have a crush on them.
A crush, that is a great word. It usually means a secret feeling of love for someone. You feel nervous when they walk into the room.
And if you start to love someone, we use a very famous idiom, to fall in love.
It is a funny phrase, isn't it? You don't actually fall on the ground, but your heart feels like it is falling.
When two people start to spend time together to see if they like each other, we call this dating.
You go on a date. Maybe you go to the cinema, or you go to a nice restaurant for dinner.
If the date goes well, you might become a couple.
In a couple, we have a boyfriend and a girlfriend. Or if you want to use a more modern word, you can say partner.
When a couple stays together for a long time, they might get engaged.
To get engaged means you promise to marry each other. Usually, one person gives the other an engagement ring.
And then comes the big day, the wedding.
At a wedding, we have a bride, the woman, and a groom, the man.
They say their vows, which are promises of love, and after that, they are husband and wife.
Or simply spouses. After the wedding, many couples go on a special holiday called a honeymoon.
The honeymoon is a time to relax and celebrate their new life together.
But Sarah, love is not just about romance and weddings. We also have platonic love.
Platonic love is the love you have for your friends. It is very strong, but it is not romantic.
And we have familial love. This is the love between parents and children or brothers and sisters.
Familial love is often unconditional.
Unconditional love. That is a big word. It means you love someone no matter what happens. Even if they make a mistake, you still love them.
That is the most beautiful kind of love. Now, listeners, let's do some shadowing practice. Repeat these words and phrases about love after us.
I think I am falling in love with you.
They are a very happy couple.
Would you like to go on a date with me?
My parents have a very strong marriage.
I love my best friend like a brother.
He gave her a beautiful engagement ring.
Love is more important than money.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Great job! Your English is sounding very sweet today.
Mark, you mentioned Valentine's Day. That is a very big day for love in many countries.
Yes, February 14th. People send Valentine's cards, buy chocolates, and give flowers.
Some people have a secret admirer. That is someone who sends a card but does not sign their name.
How exciting! Love is also about small gestures.
Small gestures are little things you do to show you care, like making a cup of tea for your partner or leaving a nice note on the fridge.
In English, we say, it's the thought that counts.
It means the price of the gift is not important. The feeling is what matters.
But sometimes love is difficult. Couples sometimes have an argument or a fight.
That is normal. No one is perfect. The important thing is to make up.
To make up means to become friends or partners again after a fight. It means saying, I'm sorry.
And if a couple decides they are not happy together, they might break up.
A breakup is very sad. Your heart feels heavy. We call this a heartbreak.
But, as we say in English, time heals all wounds. Eventually, you feel better and you are ready to love again.
That is a very hopeful thought, Sarah. Love is a journey with ups and downs.
And it is not just about other people. We must also talk about self-love.
Self-love. That means being kind to yourself. If you don't love yourself, it is hard to love others.
I agree. Taking care of your health and your mind is a form of love.
Sarah, we have talked about the different words for love, but there are so many romantic idioms in English that we haven't mentioned yet.
You are right, like when someone is your perfect match.
Or when you find your soulmate.
I want to talk more about these special words and how people meet in the modern world.
I am ready to keep going. You know, Sarah, the way people meet today is very different from how our grandparents met.
It really is. Now we have online dating and dating apps.
On a dating app, you look at pictures and read a short bio.
If you like someone, you swipe right. If you don't, you swipe left.
It's like a game. If two people both swipe right, it is a match.
Then they start chatting or messaging.
It is a fast way to meet people, but some people think it is not as romantic as meeting in a coffee shop.
I think it is just a different way to start a story. But what happens on a first date?
Oh, the first date is always the most nervous time. You worry about what to wear and what to say.
You want to make a good first impression.
We have a phrase for when a date is a disaster. We call it a blind date if you have never met the person before.
And if the date is very, very good, we say we hit it off.
To hit it off, it means you liked each other immediately. You have chemistry.
Chemistry, that is not just a science subject at school. In love, chemistry is the spark or the feeling of connection between two people.
Some people believe in love at first sight.
That means the very first second you see someone, you know you love them. Mark, do you believe in that?
I think it's possible. It's like magic.
When a couple has been together for a very long time, like 50 years, they celebrate an anniversary.
A wedding anniversary. It is a celebration of their long life together.
We have names for them. The 25th is the silver anniversary. The 50th is the gold anniversary.
That is a lot of love and a lot of patience.
It really is. Love is about commitment.
Commitment. That means you stay with the person even when things are difficult. You support them.
And love is about trust. If you don't trust your partner, you cannot be happy.
Sarah, what about some other idioms? What does it mean if someone is the apple of my eye?
That means that person is your favorite person in the world. You love them very much. Parents often say this about their children.
And what about to tie the knot?
That is just a fun, informal way to say to get married. For example, my sister is going to tie the knot next summer.
I like that one. It sounds very permanent.
Love also appears in many songs and movies. We call romantic movies rom-coms.
Rom-com is short for romantic comedy.
They are usually about two people who meet, have a problem, and then live happily ever after.
Happily ever after. That is how all the fairy tales end.
In real life, it takes work, but it is worth it.
Well, Sarah, I think my roses are starting to smell very nice in the studio.
They are lovely, Mark. Thank you again.
We have talked about crushes, dating, marriage, and anniversaries.
We learned about chemistry, soulmates, and tying the knot.
We hope this episode helps you talk about your feelings in English.
Even if it's just saying I love you to your mom or your best friend.
Remember, love is the most important thing we have.
We want to hear your stories. Do you have a favorite romantic movie?
Or how did you meet your partner or your best friend?
Write your story in simple English in the comments. We love to read them.
Thank you for joining us on My Simple English podcast. You are doing a wonderful job with your English.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to show us some love.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah.
Spread the love today. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.